Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trending crochet ideas. So don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. These articles are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these ideas. So friends, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet tops ideas. I really hope that they will love these ideas. Friends, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors, different and decent and unique designs. You can design your tops with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet tops collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new design and new ideas related to crochet tops. Guys, crochet things represent our cultural beauty. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayers, friends. See you soon. Allah Hafiz, friends.